Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we explore the most powerful machines, futuristic vehicles, and groundbreaking innovations from around the world. If you love engines, trucks, and heavy-duty machines that shape industries, then you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest deep dives. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true legend of the diesel engine world. The Caterpillar 3406C, even though it first made its name decades ago, this engine continues to earn respect in 2026 for its reliability, versatility, and sheer durability. Whether it's powering long-haul trucks, construction machinery, or marine applications, the Cat 3406C has cemented its place as an icon. Let's dive into why this engine remains so celebrated and how it's being appreciated even in today's modern age. The Caterpillar 3406C is part of the legendary Cat 3406 series, which began making waves in the late 1970s. It was designed to deliver not just power, but consistency under heavy loads and tough conditions. The 3406C became a favorite among truckers, mechanics, and fleet operators because it offered that perfect balance between horsepower, torque, and long-term durability. Unlike many engines that came and went, the 3406C earned a reputation as one of the most reliable engines ever built, with a displacement of 14.6 liters. The Cat 3406C was built to handle serious workloads. Depending on the configuration, it could produce anywhere from 350 to over 550 horsepower, with torque figures that made heavy hauling look effortless. What really made the engine stand out, though, was its ability to keep delivering power mile after mile, year after year, often crossing the million-mile mark with proper maintenance. Truckers loved it because it gave them peace of mind on long routes, and fleet owners appreciated the lower downtime and repair costs. One of the standout qualities of the 3406C is its mechanical design. Unlike the more electronic-heavy engines that came after it, the 3406C relied on a simpler, more robust setup. This meant easier repairs, less risk of electronic failures, and greater reliability in extreme conditions. Mechanics often describe it as an engine you could fix on the road if needed, with parts that were widely available and a design that encouraged hands-on repair. This is one of the key reasons the engine continues to have a fan base in 2026. Despite newer technology dominating the market, in industries like trucking, construction, and marine, downtime equals money lost. That's why engines like the 3406C became the backbone of so many fleets. Its ruggedness meant fewer breakdowns, and when issues did arise, the engine was easier to repair compared to newer, computer-driven models. Even today, you'll find many operators choosing to rebuild or remanufacture their 3406C engines instead of replacing them with newer engines, simply because of the trust they've built over decades. Another factor that made the 3406C a legend was fuel economy. While it wasn't always the most efficient by today's strict emission standards, during its peak years it was known for providing solid miles per gallon in long-haul operations. For many drivers, the balance between fuel economy and durability was worth it. Even as modern engines emphasize emissions control, there's still a special respect for the 3406C's straightforward performance. Of course, emissions regulations eventually phased out the 3406C in many applications, as governments around the world pushed for cleaner-burning engines, but that didn't erase its legacy. Instead, it carved out a new role as a collectible and rebuildable powerhouse. In 2026, enthusiasts and professionals still seek out Cat 3406C engines, often rebuilding them with updated parts, retrofitting them for modern standards, and keeping them alive in custom trucks, restored rigs, and even heavy equipment that needs proven reliability. One of the most remarkable things about the 3406C is how it has built a community around it. Truck drivers who logged millions of miles with this engine often share stories of its reliability. Mechanics who cut their teeth working on these engines swear by their toughness, and companies that ran fleets powered by 3406CS often credit the engine for keeping their operations moving for decades. It's rare for a piece of machinery to inspire loyalty the way this engine has. When you look at the Seat 3406C in 2026, it's not just about specs or horsepower. It's about legacy. It's about the impact this engine had on trucking, industry, and even culture. For many, the sound of a 3406C roaring to life isn't just noise, it's the sound of reliability, hard work, and American engineering at its finest. While the world is moving toward electric powertrains, hydrogen fuel, and advanced hybrid systems, the Caterpillar 3406C still holds its ground as a reminder of what mechanical engineering can achieve. It's more than an engine. It's a workhorse that has stood the test of time. That wraps up today's video on the legendary Cat 3406C engine. Do you think engines like this still have a place in 2026? Or is it time to leave them in the past as the world transitions to cleaner technologies? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Daily Drives for more explorations into the machines and vehicles that move our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.